Hi there, Stephen Carfaro, President and CEO of Stephen & Associates, better known to you guys as Dr. Static. Today I'm joined by Bethany Carfaro, our Vice President of Operations. Since 1978, nearly 50 years, Stevens has been a leader in the static control industry. We've partnered throughout that time with Simco Iron, the world's largest and best manufacturer of static devices. A lot of our applications throughout the years calls for ionizing blow-off, either parts, trays that we need to clean prior to a critical or final packaging area. But the question's always been, where do those particles go? In 2017, we came up with the answer, and now we want to call it our PCS Clean family of products, with over 8 different configurations to solve that exact problem. I'm going to go through each product with you, put Bethany on the other side of that camera, and talk a little bit briefly about all those different configurations and how they can now solve that question that's been around for many, many years. Stay tuned. All right, so let's dive into it. Let's first start with the original. The original was from a customer's request that they didn't want to take up any bench space. So when we designed this from the get-go, we designed it to work to be fitted right into a workstation. This is our under bench mount version. This started with our patent. We held patents on all of our configurations. How we deliver that face velocity is really critical. What we do here is at least 2 times more face velocity than anything on the market. The under bench mount is actually 3 times. The design of that and the way the plenum to the fan is set, we get great air acceleration. So anything in front of this face of this hood is going to get sucked and brought down to the heavens. So that was our original design. We make the same in a vertical format. So instead of having the horizontal plenum coming across the bench, we can have that vertical straight up if you wanted to cut into the bench or have it on the side of the bench. We then transitioned to tabletop units where bench space is available, both an 11-inch and a 20-inch version. Both of these have our design option to create the Pro. All the Pro is an integrated timer set to a foot pedal, so your blow-off protocols can be repeatable within operators. So once you set that timer for 10 seconds, your air gun would stay on for 10 seconds and then shut off. So that Pro option is available on all of our footprints, any of our PCS configurations. We then went to large scale. Had a customer that wanted basically for a material transfer area, a self-contained clean room. And this is exactly what you're seeing. 24-inch by 24-inch by 20. We also make this in a 36-inch version and a 36-inch high version based on what the product is that you're going to be putting inside the cube. We have laminar flow filtration coming from the top, ionizing built-in fans in the ceiling, giving us a complete static-free environment. We have an ionizing blow-off gun set to the side. Again, back to the Pro version where we have our integrated timer for the repeatability of our blow-off. And all of that goes down into a downdraft workstation with dual patented PCS technology for your HEPA filter return back into your cleaner. Super popular, great for material transfer, great for work assembly environments that are critical. Really, really popular item out there. So now let's move to our All-Star, our home run. This was been designed multiple times to give us our best efficiency, but what we love about our PCS Clean Table is this is a really good tool at any of your final packaging areas. It is dual hoods, 18 inches top and bottom, with both static mitigation and blow off and vacuum, still incorporating that same PCS patented technology where we're creating so much face velocity here that anything we get airborne and blow off is going to get captured down to our dual blower, dual HEPA system. All of this is then same with the Pro, integrated timer, blow off protocols are repeatable. We have at a 38-inch fixed mounted height and also our adjustable clean table, which is 32 inches to 44 inches. That rounds out our stock portfolio. We also have a full array of customs. We have a lot of custom configurations we do. We do 72-inch downdrafts. We've done, like I mentioned, the 36-inch cooling cube. There's really nothing here from our PCS side of the business that we can't do to customize it to your needs. But we are super excited about this clean family of products with now 6 standards, 4 stocking, ready to serve your needs. So that rounds out the PCS Clean family of products. Any questions, feel free to get a hold of us at www.ccsteven.com. Of course, at www.drstatic.com, or call us here at our office at 805-658-0207. You are sitting where we're videotaping today in our Camarillo headquarters. We have a demo room here available for any site visit you'd like to make. So you want to come bring your trays, your parts, see what configuration best suits your needs, feel free to do that. You can also send those parts, those trays to us. We'll clean them for you, videotape that process. We'll use the great hands of Bethany back there behind the camera to do that, and then send that video back to you to see how well we did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.